In this tutorial, we'll be going to the basics of using Cheat Engine Memory Viewer and seeing what we can do with that in this FPS game, Ravenfield. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and find the amount of ammo I have in the magazine. You can just scan for this value, which should be a 4-byte integer value. I can fire some bullets and perform another scan for the change value, and then when I find it, I can add it to the address list. We can also check this box to freeze its value, so we don't have to reload. Notice when we fire this weapon, there's some spread and recoil on the gun. Let's try browsing this memory region around the ammo value and see what we can find. So when we fire a weapon, notice how some values in the memory viewer are changing, and they're highlighted in red. There are also 4-byte values based on the spacing, so this probably means that they're numbers and not Boolean values, and we can add those addresses to our address list. Right-click and see what writes to this address, which will take us to an instruction that writes to it. We can right-click on the instruction and no-op the code and see what happens. As you can see, our fire rate increases, but we still have a lot of recoil on the weapon. So I can perform the same modification to the other address in our list. And you can see now there's only the initial kick of firing the gun and some spread, but no sustained recoil. So if I fire the gun, there's that initial kick, but as you see, the recoil pattern is eliminated, so it's only a horizontal line.